So I got a broken emergency handle. When I got this truck, the emergency handle was broken. So I'll put a link. There's an individual on eBay that makes these, and I don't know, I actually think they make them out of like one of those 3D printers or something. But anyways, I'm going to show how you would change a handle out. Now, once the handle is on, it sits right about there. So to keep in mind, you still have to remove those two screws, and I believe they're an 8mm. Working on these trucks all the time, seems like everything's an 8. And no, it's even smaller than that. I'm gonna try 7. All right. Yep. 2 7mm screws. All you do now is slide that up, and inside this there's a little joint there, and with a hole there, and all you do is stick it through like, well, it's hard to show, but like, put it back like so, and all you care is that the thing goes in far enough for the clamp on that to hold. And you heard it snap there, and now it works. So all you have to do now is screw that back in to place.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.